Unit 3, Section 8.1, Worked Examples. Find the measure of the complement of a 12-degree angle. The sum of the measures of complementary angles is 90 degrees. If we subtract 12 degrees from 90 degrees, we will find the measure of the complementary angle. So the complementary angle measures 78 degrees. Find the measure of the supplement of a 46-degree angle. The sum of the measures of supplementary angles is 180 degrees. If we subtract the measure of this angle, 46 degrees, from 180, we'll find the measure of the supplementary angle. The supplementary angle measures 134 degrees. Use the diagram to find the measure of angle 1. This is a transversal, and there's many relationships among the angles. We notice that angles 7 and 8 are supplementary. We also notice that angles 1 and 7 are alternate exterior angles, and they have the same measure. So if we find the measure of angle 7, we'll know the measure of angle 1. So since angles 7 and 8 are supplementary, if we subtract the measure of angle 8 from 180, we'll find the measure of angle 7. (132 is the measure of angle 7, and that's also the measure of angle 1 because they are alternate exterior angles and they have the same measure. The angles to the right are complementary angles. Determine the measure of angle 1 and measure of angle 2. Since we know angles 1 and 2 are complementary, we know the sum of the measures of their angles is 90 degrees. We can write an equation adding the measures of the angles together equal to 90 degrees. So x plus 14x minus 45 equals 90 degrees. We want to solve for x. Let's combine the x terms on the left side. 15x minus 45 equals 90. Add 45 to both sides. 15x equals 135, and divide both sides by 15. 135 divided by 15, and x equals 9, which is the measure of angle 2. And to find the measure of angle 1, I can use the relationship that was shown in the figure, 14 times 9 minus 45. So the measure of angle 1 is 81 degrees. And since they're complementary, we know that the measures of their angles must add up to 90 degrees, which we see is true here. 9 plus 81 is equal to 90 degrees.